Kamusta? This is your Guru, Kairu. Today's topic is kailangan. Kailangan. Needed. It means needed. Like being needed. You're needed. You are important. Kailangan. Is that what it means? It means needed. Kailangan. Kailangan. Needed. You. Do you remember kailan? Yes, kailan. Just add. Just remove the end. That at ngan. Kailangan. Kailangan. Do you remember okay lang? Okay lang. Just get the lang. Then add ngan. Kailangan. Is it easier to understand? Kailangan. Can you see it now? Very good if you can. So basically, kailangan means need. Needs, it means needs. For example, kailangan ka. You are needed. It means you are needed. Or as a question, which is, kailangan ka ba? Are you needed? Kailangan ka ba? Are you needed? There's a question mark in the last if that's the case. Or, for example, you got an assignment or some kind of project that you need to pass. For example, someone asks you, kailangan na, which means it is needed now. This time, yes, this time, kailangan na. Yes, so basically, kailangan means need. That's all for today. This is your Guru, Kairu. Good night, good evening, good morning. Yes, bye-bye.